Hey everybody, today I've got like a 2003 Honda Element. The guy was complaining about a noise in the front end, so I got Mikey up there running it so he could see. This is very dangerous, to be very careful. But can you hear that noise? Hear that noise? That noise is actually the inner CV joint right there. The boot is ripped and it's grinding. I know I have it up in the air. I see it squirting out all its grease. That is what's making that noise. So if you have one that's making noise, it could possibly be the axle. Now see, this has a differential, so this side isn't spinning. So if I stop this wheel and let that wheel spin, the noise will probably go away. But here's a real quick one for you. This one here definitely has a left front axle that's going bad. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos.